This is the Nissan Rogue, a modern, compact SUV. Stylish, smart, efficient, built for daily driving. Comfort for every journey. Nissan Rogue comes with a turbo engine, 1.5-liter, 201 horsepower, smooth CVT transmission, power with efficiency. Fuel efficiency matters. Nissan Rogue delivers more miles, city driving, highway cruising. Save fuel every day. Step inside Nissan Rogue. Spacious interior, comfortable seats, premium design. Relax on every drive. Smart technology inside. Large touchscreen display. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Stay connected everywhere. Safety comes standard. Nissan Safety Shield, automatic braking, blind spot alert, confidence on the road. More space when needed, flexible cargo area, foldable rear seats, perfect for family trips. Available all-wheel drive, better grip, better control, rain or rough roads. Drive with confidence. Bold exterior design, sharp LED lights, modern styling. Nissan Rogue stands out. Nissan Rogue delivers it all. Power, comfort, safety. A smart, compact SUV. Ready for your next drive.